Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kuru Me Deva Sarvakaryeshu Sarvata. All the descriptions in the teaching videos are mirror imaged for learners' reference. Follow the same side of mind as per the video for both hands and legs. Let's learn the hand gestures, hastas, for the shloka, followed by leg movements and the whole dance in this video.
Hands are known as Kapitta, Arala. This goes diagonally up, comes back to nose as a trunk. This is the ears of Ganesha. Side wide open, comes back. Okay, but we have to do together like Arati. One goes diagonal, one goes horizontal and comes back. Vakratunda. Mahakaya, big body. Pataka showing the big tummy. Mahakaya. Surya Koti, sun goes up, rises up, comes to the east, representing the sun. Samaprabha, it's equivalent to 1,000 crores of sun's rays. Nirvignam, the one who removes obstacles. Nirvignam. Kurume Deva. Ganesha, Devo, the god Ganesha. Sarva Kareshu, all my actions. Pataka Sarva. Karyeshu, Chatura Mudra. Sarvata, bless me always. Again, lift your hand, 4 fingers and again keeping your head in Chatura. Ta is always straight line. Okay? And then finish off with your Anjanisha Mudra. Okay?
Now let's understand word by word meaning, what mudra should be used, and the full meaning. O Lord, with curved trunk, one with huge body, one with the radiance of crore suns, please make all my actions free from troubles. Curved, twisted trunk, using Kapitta and Arala for the ears. Mahakaya, huge body, showing the stomach of Ganesha using patakas on both the hands. Surya Koti, rising sun, using Alapadmam. And coming it to the other side, showing the sun is going to the west. Samaprabha, equal with patakas. Nirvignam, the one who removes obstacles, using both the hands closed out. Vignam, striking out with your right hand. Kurume Deva, Ganesha, oh God, Ganesha's mudra, both the hands in Kapita, one horizontal, one vertical. Deva, showing patakas above in the sky. Sarva Karyeshu, all my actions using patakas around. Karyeshu, Chatura, going forward. Sarvata, bless me always. So again Chatura on your head. Always Sada is Hamsasya, showing a straight line. Let's learn the leg movements now.
Legs is your left leg forward, other leg is horizontal. Vakratunda. Mahakaya, put this down and nice wide open. Mahakaya. Surya Koti, Prenkanam. Surya, this is Koti. Samaprabha, bring your left leg to Samam. Surya Koti, Samaprabha. Nirvignam, walk 2 steps forward. Nirvignam. Kurume. So this is Nirvignam. Kurume is forward. Deva, put it flat and walk 2 steps forward. Then Sarva Kareshu, 4 steps back. Sarva Kareshu, land. Sarva Murmandi, Ta, get up.
Now let's combine both hand gestures and leg movements for Vakratunda Mahakaya Shloka.
Now with hands and legs together, Kapitta, Arala. So Vakratunda Mahakaya Surya Koti. Surya Koti Samaprabha, equal. Nirvignam. Nirvignam. Kurume. Devo. Sarva Karyeshu Sarva Ta.
Thank you for watching. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hare Krishna.